Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised. And during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. However, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair. Because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Series 2, Episode 4, Teaching Material Creator. Earning potential, $100 to $5,000 plus a month. If you're a teacher or you used to be one, you could either make some extra money or earn a sizable income creating teaching materials for other teachers to use in their lessons. You'll basically sell products and teaching materials that you've created for your students to other teachers who want fresh teaching aids or would like to reduce their workload. As a teaching material creator, the type of things that you can sell on these sales platforms include lesson plans, fun learning activities, full-year curriculums, assessments, and videos. On one popular site in particular, Teachers Pay Teachers, the highest earner has reportedly amassed more than $2 million through the site. If you're curious about pursuing remote work, and you enjoy putting together lesson plans, activities, and worksheets, then this might be a perfect work-from-home job for you. This particular remote job is a great way to make money online, one that has proven to scale up really well, and could end up far exceeding the average teacher's salary. Teaching material creators need to use a variety of software tools to create and edit teaching content. One great free tool that we've mentioned before is Canva. You should also invest in a reliable computer and a high-speed internet connection, if you don't already have them, plus familiarize yourself with the latest technology in your field. Choose a specific subject or niche that you have expertise in. English-speaking teaching aids is a big market, but providing content for other languages could mean less competition. When you have decided on your niche, this will help you to focus your efforts and create high-quality teaching materials that meet the needs of your target audience. You could join online communities and forums related to your field and connect with other teaching material creators. Consider partnering with other professionals to create joint projects too. The teaching industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Teaching material creators should attend webinars and conferences, read industry publications or blogs, and take occasional courses to stay current. It's also better to offer both free and paid-for content to build up your reputation and secure some good reviews. Your paid content would be things like bundles and more complex teaching materials. Get started with earning opportunities on Teachers Pay Teachers, Study.com, Canva, and IXL Learning. IXL also has many other posted remote jobs, all related to teaching. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money. For a fraction of the effort, we share life-changing videos like these, each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe, so you don't miss out.